Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Kirkland. I'm one of the pediatricians here at Riverside Pediatric Associates. I'm from San Antonio, Texas, born and raised. I did my medical school training at the UT Health Science Center in San Antonio and my residency here in Columbus, Ohio at Nationwide Children's Hospital. Like I said, I'm from San Antonio, Texas, born and raised, which is where I met my husband in medical school, who is also a pediatrician. We decided to move to Columbus, Ohio for our residency training at Nationwide Children's Hospital because we just wanted to change and we wanted to get out of Texas. Since moving here in 2014, we fell in love with Columbus and its people and have never looked back. I decided to become a pediatrician in medical school. Sadly, after my dad, who was a pediatrician, passed away, I got to spend some time at his office meeting his patients, and I got to hear from them the impact that he had in their lives. And every single day, I became more and more in awe of what a pediatrician could do for their patients and for their families, parents, moms, and dads. And I just feel so honored that I get to do that here at Riverside Pediatric Associates every single day, following in my dad's footsteps. Some of my hobbies used to be, I used to like gardening, going on bike rides, going out with my friends, but I have a little baby now, a little 9-month-old, so I think I would classify my hobbies more as doing laundry and washing bottles and changing diapers. I still do like to spend time with my family, my husband, my daughter named Josephine, and our 2 dogs, Belle and Rufus. I'm Dr. Elizabeth Kirkland. I'm one of the pediatricians here at Riverside Pediatric Associates, and I am accepting new patients.